So clap. Come on, y'all. I need you to all join in. So clap here. Trap behind enemy lines, know everything ain't fine. These folks keep messing with our minds. Got my face pressing up against this grade and it's tearing up my face, but freedom is on the other side, I can taste it. I said freedom is on the other side, I can taste it. We're in a system of things, follows the pendulum swings from left to right. See, we trying to bring some dark places light. By the time you get this, there'll be 4,000, 5,000, 6,000 or more casualties of war, and they won't even know it. Because everything you say and do, they're trying to control you. Cell phones, OnStar, TiVo, GPS, satellite radios. Oh yeah, no commercials. See, we living in the highest unemployment state, and Bush had folks donating 2,000 to plate, and you and I didn't line up the pictures of UAP. What happened to all the revolutionaries? See, wasn't that you standing next to me at the Panther exhibit? Oh yeah, that's right. See, some of y'all wasn't with it, but we still reaping the benefits of it. You know, those reduced lunch programs, those free lunch programs. See, that was implemented by the Panthers. See, we are all striving to reach heights never reached, and I pray that we remember to teach each one, reach one. Each step that we take brings us to a more enlightened place, where we dwell in love and not hate, where we dwell in love and not hate, where we dwell in love and not hate, and we dwell in love and not hate. See, each one, teach one is the way it is done. Interject your intellect, and where your intellect falls short, find a child running wild and teach you what you know. Make sure that our seeds continue to grow. 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 Paint them with spiritual wisdom of knowledge of self and of wealth and the lack of it. Teach them of capitalism, racism, sexism, and spiritualism, and all those other isms that cause us to build ourselves in cages from which we cannot escape, and slavery is on the rise again. But this time, we are not bound physically. We are entrapped mentally, and it's disguised as prosperity. Got you chasing after a brass ring instead of lifting up your voice and singing. We have the power in our hands. 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 Y'all act like y'all believe that a little bit. We have the power in our hands. See, we are all prisoners of war. But what side are you fighting for? What side are you fighting for? What side are you fighting for? Be the change you want to see in this world, so that our people will not continue to be trapped behind enemy lines, trapped behind enemy lines, trapped behind enemy lines, trapped behind enemy lines, trapped behind enemy lines.